What's up, guys? It's Pete back here, and today's video is gonna be an Asphalt 9. But before we continue, you guys have been showing support, so keep supporting and hit the subscribe button. So I know that you guys will support me and to stay tuned for the content which I put. Okay, so let's get into it. So today we have Asphalt 9, and just very recently we have a new set of updates for our Asphalt events. So actually, I wouldn't call it an update. Directly no update came, but we have a number of things in. So we have a new multiplayer series. We have a new two multiplayer series is new. So we have daily events. I think we have the Car Hunt of the Corvette. Yeah, Stars and Stripes Part 2. Okay. So we have Stars and Stripes Part 2, and we have Mazda Furais, and we have the Car Hunt of the Corvette and Car Hunter out of the Furai. But anyways, today which I will be doing is first round of this special event, SSC Tuatara special event, the first round. So we have finished race, 5 knockdowns, and then we have 1 minute 35 seconds. So this is Rizwani Beast X, and I have pretty much maxed out the Rizwani. So let's go. So it's in New York, okay? So it's New York airdropped. So anyways, so today's video will be on this video will be on these new updates, okay? So for now, let's just go. And I think our daily event rundown is also in order. I'm gonna do a separate video on the multiplayers and separate video on the daily event rundowns. But this video will only be on this special event round 1. So anyways, so I have to beat 1 minute 35 seconds here. Okay, I took that turn badly. The only problem with the Rizwani is it turns very badly. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. So this special event has police in it, the Asphalt security. Okay, so we're not going there. We're not going up, we're going down. Whoa! Could have crashed, but thankfully didn't. Okay, so far so good. But this timing is not at all good. Gotta be fast. And there's another thing which I would like to point out later about the SSC Tuatara, which I just noticed. So after the event, obviously that's gonna be. Let's go. Come on. We gotta beat 1 minute 35 seconds here. Let's go. Almost there. What the? Come on, 31, 132, 133. Okay, 133. Okay, so that's the Rizwani Beast X first. So we finished race, 5 knockdowns, and we did all the time challenges. So it's actually very easy because we have the 3 times. Okay, we have it 3 times. So I think we should go for it 3 times only. Until we collect all the blueprints, we should go for it. And I'll rather not waste tokens on this. So this is 40 blueprints. Now, before I continue with the next part, let me show you guys in the garage. The SSC, if you select S class, the SSC Tuatara is the fastest car. But the thing is, we need a key to race with this, and it's in a special event. So that is what actually is bugging me. I think this is the first of its kind that we need a key to race with the car, but it has a special event and not a Grand Prix. So anyways, let's go again. We need to beat 1 minute 35 seconds. It was close, but I would say it's good. Yeah. Anyways, let's go. Okay. And with the police are incoming. Though honestly, I think they could improve the police here. Okay. I think this is the first special event with cops in it. And obviously, guys, after a few minutes, I'll update the next round of the Grand Prix, also Elite Grand Prix. But I think honestly that video will take some time to upload. Okay. So for now, let's just consider. Whoa! Oh man, that turn is actually very bad. You know. I mean, you need to be very careful. That turn is actually. You'll tend to misguide yourself. Yeah. You'll tend to misjudge that turn. Misjudge. I can't even speak properly. But again, you should not do anything else while driving, and especially when you're driving in Asphalt 9. Your full focus should be on racing. And VLF giving me a push. Thank you, VLF! We could have fallen off. Okay, so this is going crazy a bit. I don't think we can beat 1 minute 35 seconds in this one because we wrecked once. But still, we'll try our best. Okay, that's knocked down. I think by now we should have gotten 5 knockdowns. Okay, let's take the ramp. Let's take it properly. Anyways. Push off. What the 29, 131, 32, 133. Obviously, we won't beat 1 minute 35 seconds. Expected. That was expected since we wrecked. But never mind. So we got a card pack. We got some credits. Yeah, that's it. We are not getting the blueprints. Yeah. So I think we'll go once more on this, and then I think this will be enough for the video. Okay, so Italy Design Zeruno blueprints. I won't say that's a very good car, but anything goes, you know, anything for starting. So anyways, okay, let me make the music a little bit louder. Anyways, okay, so 3, 2, let's go quickly. We have the Grand Prix after this. Let's go quickly. Okay. Let's go. Again, the cops on our tail. So anyways, let's speed off. Whoa. Could have crashed. We're good. Okay, so... Whoa! Okay. Again, I'm saying it again and again that we have to be very careful in that turn. And also, if you take the barrel roll, you have to be very sure that you don't go at high speeds, okay? If you go at high speed, I mean, you'll just go off the track. Okay, so let's move with the turn. Okay, knocking down a police car and a VLF. Going through the turn there. Thank you, VLF, for the push. Okay, making that landing smoothly. Okay, that cop car doesn't bother. I think he's an undercover racer, not a cop. Ever played NFS Rivals? You want to try that? Wolf in sheep's clothing or sheep in wolf's clothing? I can't remember. It was either of the missions. You just have to play the game to know. Anyways, we're going right. Go left. Okay, barrel roll. 29, 130, 131, 132. Fine. That's fine. Okay, so we got that. And we did it again. Yeah. We got on the blueprint. Okay, so I think one more try is in order. Let's go. Just once more. And I'm running out of tickets here, which isn't very advisable. Okay. Let's go quickly. Let's go. Okay, special event. Stage 1 SSC to Otara. let's just finish the round quickly. Let's just finish the round quickly. It's almost time for the Grand Prix now. So I have to do the video on that also, so I'm just hurrying up, that's why. Okay, so get out of my face. Police, get out of my face. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not this time, not this time. Okay. Doing 5 knockdowns isn't a very problematic thing. The problematic thing is just to, drive through all of this. And we have a few tight turns also, which you have to be very careful about. VLF, get out of my face. Whoa, 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 don't go off track. Okay. I would say the Rizvani comparatively is a very small and speedy car compared to the C-class other cars. It's very light, so it's prone to knockdowns, but that also makes it much more faster. And I'm talking in class C, okay. The Painfinder is a bit slower than the Rizvani, but then again the Painfinder can't be knocked down very easily. So that also has that. So that's 130, that's 132.1, which is the best time ever. So okay, we didn't do the knockdowns, but hey, we got the blueprints. We got that one blueprint. So guys, that's it. This is round 1 of the special event of SSC 218. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any suggestions or comments, you can always say that in the comment section, as you always have. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed this, please be sure to smash like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, until then, stay safe, and as always, keep speeding. Okay guys, see ya.